Hi everyone, Tracey here from Uniquely Creative. I'm just going to have a play with our Wonderland Creative Kit. I've got the mist that's come in the kit here, and I'm just going to have a squirt and a play with them. I am not a mixed media artist, I'm not great at this, so I'm just going to have a play, and then I'm going to take some of these. These were the mixed media cards that come in the kit, and then I'm going to get the add-on die, and I'm going to cut that out once it's dry. So that's my plan. I'm going to have a play. I've also got a sheet of white cardstock nearby because I'm going to print this in my leftovers to create a really funky background. That's the plan. Let's see how I go. Let's see if I fail. This is highly absorbent, our white chipboard, so I'm not thinking I'm going to wet it. I think I'm just going to spray it and just see how it comes up. Actually, let's test it on a little bitsy. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay, yeah, definitely not going to spray it. See how absorbent that is? Oh, I like it. Okay. Let's do this together, girls, because I am not great at this. We are just going to have a play. More red in there. Oh, it's so pretty. I love these sprays. Create some purple. Oh, I like it. Now, do you know how I was saying I was going to dip my cardboard? I'm going to try that now. I'm just going to put this over here to dry. And now I'm just going to actually wet my cardboard first before I dip. Wet cardboard. Now I'm gonna dip cardboard and oh, that's cool. There we go. That's what I was thinking. So that's gonna be a background for another page. Oh, I like that. See, we learned together, girls. I'm gonna put this one over here to dry too. Okay. Let's just clean up that lot of mess. First, this is the Tim Holtz Glass Mixed Media Matte. I really like it. It's a new toy. So let's just do some spraying on these. So I'm going to wet them first, and then I'm thinking I might dry them and then cut them out and use them on the background. So I'm just going to wet my background, and I'm just going to, oh, that's cool. Let's make some purple. I like that. That's cool. Let's dry that. Okay, so let's wet it. This little mister comes in the kit, guys. So if you haven't already got this kit, jump online, www.uniquelycreative.com.au. I'm just going to kind of do a blue and a purple based one, so I need to add some pink so I can make some purple. Let's swirl it. I'm just going to add some water. I like it. Let's try this one. Alright, number 2 done. Number 1, number 2, these are going to look cool with the die cuts cut out of them. I really like these tones, so I'm actually going to do another one, I think those tones in a minute. Let's do one more in just orange and reds. Alrighty, so we've got 1, 2, 3. I think that's enough for now. Remember that piece that we put in the water? Look at that. That is so cool. Let's just dry this one off a little bit. So I ran these dies through the big shop machine on the sheets that we made, and I cut out a whole bunch of hearts. And then this guy's dry now, so I just traced around some navy cardstock, and I think I'm gonna glue that on the back, but I'm not entirely sure yet. So let's make a layout. Gonna speed it up now, guys. so that's it. I'm finished. So if you enjoyed watching our videos, thank you so much. Just hit the subscribe button and leave us a comment. That would be great. If you want to purchase this kit, jump over to our website, www.uniquelycreative.com.au, and you can buy the September Wonderland kit. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Till next time. Bye.